We're gonna be quick because I want a 15-minute ride into the city. No rain, no flowers, baby. Wow, I've never done this before. Yeah. Don't use it on your hair, folks, just on the walls. Can't wait till we get to do the big ones. Okay, so that was really easy, and I'm pleased. Wow. We're going everywhere, so we're about to head downtown. It's hot as hell today. It's dark and hell is hot. But I just look at it right now. That's so lit. Okay, that's a proud moment for me because literally, I don't think I would be into music as much if I didn't come from here. I'm gonna get a hold of Kaya. Hey Siri. Call Kaya. What's up, soldiers? It's Vita. If you don't know me, I'm a singer-songwriter from Yonkers, New York, and that's exactly where we are right now. My city, where I was born and raised. I got my dog Ace with me, and he's assisting me in putting up flyers around the city for my new single, No Rain, No Flowers, which dropped on May 28th, so it's on all platforms, and I expect you to go and stream it. But this is a vintage X record. Okay, so it's X gonna give it to you. Instrumental and an acapella of DMX. All right, sir. Time to strap you. Well, until the rain washes it away.
Nah, too. It's her fault. No, not the lie down. It's the lie down for me.
Let's do, should I do them all next? I like how it is. Look at it!
You're past when you see it.
Woo! What else I could tell you to put in? But Martin's is always, it's like giant. Geese. I almost got attacked by one once. All right, so let's see. Yeah, bitch.
What's the license?
No, 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 no. It's been too long and I'm lost without you. What am I gonna do? Said I've been needing you, so needing you. Who's been with you? Is your heart so mine? I wanna cry sometimes. I miss you. Thank you. That's like why I'm hot, so I wanted to do something a little. I'm okay. Very nice.
Yo, that's my shirt!